Alien hunters believe they have discovered evidence of an ancient war on Mars after finding what they believe to be a discarded bullet. Extraterrestrials once resided on Mars but went extinct after a planet-wide war, according to a bizarre new claim. Conspiracy theorists are shockingly claiming that a thin rock discovered in NASA images is actually an ancient bullet. The claimants argue not only is this evidence of past life on the red planet but also that the beings there were involved in war. The shock claim was made by prominent UFO enthusiast Scott C. Waring, who said Martians destroyed themselves. Taking to his ET database blog, Mr. Waring said, "What I found was something I didn't want to find, a bullet. This tiny projectile is longer than most bullets but does appear to still be unused. I see the head of the bullet which looks like is made, from a copper alloy. The lower part of the projectile is the case which is quite long. The longer case means it could hold more gunpowder to propel the bullet further. The back part of the bullet has a square area which may have made each bullet manually loaded into the gun one at a time, meaning the gun held only one shot at a time. It may be a sign of a great battle taking place long ago, a battle that very well may have destroyed Mars itself." However, skeptics and NASA would say the bullet as other similar findings are just the effects of pareidolia, a psychological phenomenon when the brain tricks the eyes into seeing familiar objects or shapes in patterns or textures such as a rock surface. But this is not the first time someone has said there was a huge war on Mars. A user on Reddit posted his theory on the social media site, which claims Martians were forced to flee their planet when disaster struck. As a result, the aliens created our moon as a new basis to rescue as many of the population as possible. The Redditor, Broticus, wrote, "I think the moon is not only an artificial structure. I think Mars was home to intelligent life and they faced a catastrophic planetary event and our moon was created to rescue as much of their population as possible. It was manufactured as an ark by Martians in the very, very distant past. Look at the surface of Mars. It's obvious something catastrophic occurred.